To tell you a little bit about my business, we sell trailers from 8 foot on up to 53 foot, from basically $500 on up to $1 million, just depending on how specialized you want it. But we're also a manufacturer in that we take shells of trailers that we buy from our dealership and convert them into whatever. We make mobile command centers, we make mobile hospitals, we make mobile restaurants. If you can think of anything mobile, dream up anything you want to put on the road, we can build it inside of a trailer. That's our niche market, our specialty market. We sell a lot of trailer parts. We ship parts all over the U.S., have a big online business here. We're also a big service center for any trailer that you need. We do boat trailers and car trailers and utility trailers. We rent trailers, much like U-Haul. So there are a lot of components besides the manufacturing that everybody knows us for, the big part that we still do, that are important to us. The location that we're in here in Kannapolis was chosen with a lot of time and effort by our whole company. We looked for some demographics that were important to us. Number one, obviously location, location, location. We wanted to be on the expressway if possible. The next thing is we wanted to set in the center of some of our core businesses we already had established. Racing is one of them. The Concord Mills Mall was there. It's bringing all the sports people back and forth to the Bass Pro Shop on the expressway. We also had some of our clients, Stuart Haas was in the area. We knew the research center was being built, and so that we figured would be a draw for us. So we wanted to set inside of those, but yet be close enough to access anything else in the state or get on the expressway. The airport was also important to us because we have a lot of clients that fly in to the airport and we have close proximity to it. When we sat down and visited with all of the government officials, economic development people in the area, we got the warmest reception and the feeling that they wanted us from Cabarrus County Economic Development. Any questions, any answers, they were the go-to people. They brought us all of the zoning issues we had to deal with, anything DOT we had to deal with. They were excellent. They gave us an incentive, a tax incentive at the time. That was a big draw for us. But the main thing was I felt like they wanted us here instead of we were trying to talk ourselves into going to the location. The difference between winners and losers is winners never give up. And I see that about Kannapolis. You got a lot of people here. They've had a lot of hits. 40, 50,000 person community hit with all loss of jobs and a lot of textiles just gone away and everything. But the people here, winners and losers, difference, they never give up. These are a bunch of winners over here, and winners, I want to surround myself with them. I think 5 years when you look back to this area, or 10 years you look back, you're going to see a lot of people that say, wow, how did I miss that area? And I think that's what makes Kannapolis unique.